Sixth grade, it is Tuesday night, and I thought I would put together a quick video for you for Wednesday morning. You have a reading quiz that is already ready on the LMS. It won't be made active until 9 o'clock tomorrow, and you have until 5 o'clock to finish it. Then your next section and its assignment is listed for you. I believe it's due for Monday, but you want to check that on your list on the right-hand side of the LMS. But I want to look at Grammar 4.4, which is transitive verbs today, and it's on page 86. It only takes, the main rule with the transitive verbs is that a transitive verb is a verb that has a direct object. So if you look at page 86, it tells you that a transitive verb expresses an action that passes from a doer to a receiver. A doer is the subject and the receiver is the object that's receiving the action. So for instance, if you have a sentence like, he bought dinner. He is the subject. What did he do? He bought is the action, so that's the transitive verb. And dinner is the direct object because we would say bought whom or what. The answer is dinner. In the example that you have in your textbook, it talks about Amelia Earhart, and it says Amelia Earhart bought her first plane in 1922. Amelia Earhart is the subject of the sentence, and we ask ourselves, what is the action that she did? She bought, and then bought what or whom? The receiver would be her plane, so she bought the plane. Now, the receiver of the action is your direct object, and you have to go back to what we talked about before, several units back when we talked about how we find our objects. We find the subject, we ask, what did the subject do? And we find that action verb, and then we say the action verb, what or whom, and that ends up being our direct object. So any verb that has a direct object is considered to be a transitive verb. So I would like you to take a look at exercise 2, and that's the assignment that you will have that's due on Friday. So this video will come out for you on Wednesday morning, and this assignment is due on Friday. If we look at exercise 2, we have to do 3 things. We have to find the transitive verb, and then identify the doer and the receiver in the sentence. So in number 1, it says Amelia Earhart joined 2 pilots as a passenger on a transatlantic flight in 1928. So our first answer is Amelia Earhart. She's the doer, that's the subject. And then what did she do? She joined, that's the verb. And then what is the object? The object is pilots. So you will have 3 answers for each question. And again, you'll write your answers directly on the assignment page. So remember, the reading quiz, tomorrow morning it'll open at 9 and close at 5, so please do not miss that. And then this grammar assignment, page 86, 87, exercise 2.